Welcome back, kiddos. We're talking a little bit more on this slide about the names of the shapes. I want you to look first at this shape here, this quadrilateral. Well, quadrilaterals are basically talking about anything with four. That word quad means four. Like you might see the word quad on a four-wheeler if you're out at the store shopping for four-wheelers and you're into that type of thing. Which, gosh, I wish I could. Anyways, a rectangle is also a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral. And the main reason why, again, is because it has four sides and four corners, or vertices. This quadrilateral is special. We call that a parallelogram. And what it is, it's a rectangle that's kind of tipped to the side a little bit. All right? So as you're thinking about a parallelogram, it's called parallelogram because it's tipped to the side a little bit. And these two lines, that top line and the bottom line, they're parallel. They run together like a train track. These two lines on the side are also parallel. We call that parallel when they run in the same direction, but the little bit distance apart. But they're both straight lines. This wouldn't be a parallelogram because this one would cross over. It wouldn't be parallel. For it to be parallel, it would need to have it just like this, okay? The pentagon, I bet you can already tell how many sides that is. That is a five-sided shape. Pent means five, just like tri means three. Hexagon, hex we talked a little bit about already. That is a six-sided shape because hex means six. Octagon, you can use the word octopus to help you with this one. How many arms does an octopus have? Now, can you hear the oct word inside octopus? Well, octagon has the exact same meaning. Oct just means eight, okay? So this one has eight sides. Heptagon is kind of cool. Oops, went to a different slide there. The heptagon is really great because what it is, it's a seven-sided shape. Hepta or hept means seven, and decagon means 10. This one, the Polygon song, is kind of interesting. We're not really going to talk about that one, but I thought you guys should see it anyways. Okay, hope you're doing well. And next, we'll be going right into some practice where you get to practice the names of these shapes. And don't forget, point them out to your parents as you're seeing them. Another fun thing I like to do is I like to take my shapes and I like to make little shapes monsters, just depending on however I can get them to fit together. Sometimes I put a wheel on the bottom and I'll put like a little bar on the top. But it's a lot easier if you're looking at your shapes when they're flat on your table because they're two-dimensional. That means they're flat. They can't roll around like this flashlight can, or even sit up tall like this Rubik's Cube can. They're flat, and that means they're two-dimensional.